Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to see how we could buy PC parts on eBay. Let's say, for example, you want to build your own PC and not buy a full PC directly throughout eBay. In this case, you have to decide first what PC specifics you want to buy. In case you already have them in mind, that's pretty easy. For example, I want to buy an Intel Core i9 14900K. I will simply write it down, and here they are. So, I will find here a lot of prices depending on if it is used or not. Let's go here and choose what specifics we would like. So, first of all, how would you like to buy it? Auction or buy it now? An auction means that people will start bidding and the could go up to 100k or even a million. But that's for specific things. Here for buy it now, which is our case for these kind of or these types of products, we're just going to see uh, something very good like a top rated seller. For example, this one. This is a top rated seller. So I'm going to click right on it, and here it is the page. So he got 99.1% positive rating. Here it is the picture. So he got high quality ones. And as you can see, it is 32% off. We could go down here a little bit and check if he got informations about it, which is very good. He got everything that you need to read, which is very, very good. Here we have some feedback. So he sold this item 11 time, and everyone is talking good about him. A plus plus, nice. eBay account has been, I don't know what's that, but anyway, it's very good. Next thing to do is to simply click on buy it now, fulfill the affirmations that you have of your payment getaways, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.